Hey everyone, this video is to help Java beginners to study variables. This video is a medium difficulty for Java beginners, and variables have so many contents you need to know that this video cannot include all. But if you are a computer science college student and want to preview the content of variables for Java classes, or you are the amateur who are studying Java by yourselves, this video can help you to have a quick preview of the definition and the naming rule of variables. Before we start, make sure you have downloaded the Eclipse. Next, I will show you the role of variables in memory. If you want to learn variable, the first thing you need to learn is memory. Memory is the computing space of a computer. If we compare the memory as a hotel, a variable is similar to a room in the hotel. The value of the variable would be the guest in the room. The type of the variable is similar to the type of the room, and the name of variable is similar to the name of the room. You may wonder that what are the three elements of variables? Value, type, and name. Let's look at the simple question. Deposit 1,000 yuan in the bank. The interest rate of 1 year is 5%. After a year, how much money do you have? This is a math problem. Look at this picture. You can imagine that putting 1,000 yuan in the bank through a simple mathematical operation. We know that we get 1,015 yuan after a year, so we replace 1,000 with 1,015. So now in this position, the value is 1,015. And then you can imagine the bank as memory. We store the value in the space, such as we store 1,000, and then we take out the data and operate it. And we get the result after operation. Then store the result in the position of original value. In this process, the space is like the variable. Besides integer number, variables can also store decimal number, such as 91.34. In this example, the integer and decimal is the type of variable. 1,015 and 91.34 is the value of variable, but not 1,015 stores in a space and 91.34 stores in another space. They are different variables, and they won't interface with each other. Now you have known the type and the value of variables, and next I will explain the name of variable. You can't give name to a variable in Coursera. Here are some rules for names of the variables. For initialize of the name, you have three choices: a character, an underline symbol, or a dollar symbol. Other symbols are not being allowed. As for the other parts, there are more choices. You can use some numbers, characters, the symbol of underline, and dollar. Mixture of this also works. Note: do not use keywords such as public, class. These words have special meanings in Java. What's more, you had better give a simple name that you can remember it. Finally, let's do some exercise to help you understand the rule of naming better. For the first one, principle, first we look at the initial. It's a character. Right, then we look at the remaining part. It's also character. Right, so this name of variable will work. For the second one, the initial is a dollar symbol, correct? The remaining part is character. Right, so this name of variable also works. The next one, the initial is 1, not a character, not the symbol of underline or dollar. It's a number, so it doesn't work. Let's look at the next one. The initial is a character. Right, but the remaining part has a symbol, so it does not work. Next, the initial is a character. The remaining is a mixture of character, underline, and number, so it will work. For the last one, the initial is character, okay? The remaining part is also character, but it will not work because there is a blank. Please remember, except I mentioned in the rules, any other compositions are forbidden. Now let's look at variables in Java program. The definition of variable is a container that holds values that are used in a Java program. This is a simple Java program to calculate the sum of number 1 and number 2. In this program, number 1 consists of the type integer, the name number 1, and the value 1. So it is a variable. Number 2 is also consists of the type integer, the name number 2, and the value 2. It is also a variable. In conclusion, all codes with the type, the value, and the name is a variable. Now I believe you have known what is variable in Java program. That's all for this class. I have finished all about variables. I hope you can understand it well. Thank you for listening.